The Dahua Smart Interactive Whiteboard is designed to establish communication beyond distance, thus enhancing working efficiency and promoting collaboration. Fingerprint lock ensures information security. The 4K UHD display with anti-glare technology delivers clear and sharp images. The built-in camera with large field of view captures vivid details even in large meeting rooms. Switchable dual systems enable more flexible applications. Its integrated management platform achieves remote and batch management, enhancing efficiency. Video conferencing supports access to various types of terminals. Its powerful remote collaboration capability creates greater value for communication.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This is Danny from Dahua Overseas Business Center. The Dahua Deep Hub is a smart interactive whiteboard. It has an intuitive user interface with 4 home screen icons: screen sharing, whiteboard, file manager, and more. The compass menu includes quick access to the home screen for convenient navigation, as well as additional functions such as return, whiteboard, windows, annotate, and file manager. Double tap the screen with 2 fingers to bring the compass menu directly to you. There are also 2 side navigation bars for easy access to the home screen or to return to the previous page. It also provides a tools menu containing shortcuts for annotation, screen sharing, screenshot, QR code sharing, timer, camera, energy saving mode, eye care mode, brightness and volume adjustment, as well as the touch lock, screen lock, and power mode. Finally, you can use this icon to access background apps. You may close them individually or collectively.
You can install almost all applications from Play Store or APK file from pen drive.
Reverse touch allows you to interact with your device through the Deep Hub itself, saving time and effort when editing documents and other files. It's also a convenient way to incorporate participation in classroom settings. When connected to the same network, multiple students can use their phones, tablets, or laptops to interact with the Deep Hub. When generating new ideas, brainstorming, or writing other content, you should use something that can keep up with your thoughts. Here's where the Deep Hub Smart Interactive Whiteboard comes in. You can use your hand or the magnetic stylus to write your ideas or draw shapes to help organize your thoughts. The pen comes in 3 different styles with a variety of thicknesses and a multitude of colors. You can use the various shapes tool to create quick outlines and mind maps with ease. Use your hand to erase what you don't need. You can also select the eraser tool to use the stylus for smaller details. With the eraser selection tool, you can choose a particular section to remove it. You may also clear the whole board at once. In zoom mode, you can enlarge, shrink, and move around the board. The selection tool allows you to choose and alter a section which you can enlarge, shrink, rotate, and move. Activating dual writing mode allows multiple people to write together on the same screen. Let's say you want to take a moment to shift focus to another idea. Instead of erasing everything, you can create a new page. That way, your previous ideas and content are still there when you're ready to jump back into it. You can also insert images easily, creating your own vision board to help inspire new ideas and creative thinking. Are you looking for a particular aesthetic? You can change the background to your preference with our classic color options. For remote classes, you could select the green background to create a familiar chalkboard experience. Sometimes we make mistakes and erase something we didn't mean to. Don't worry, we've got you covered. Use the undo button to go back in time and remedy that error. And you can always use the redo button if you go back too far. Compared to other devices, the Dahua Deep Hub provides a smooth and luxurious writing experience thanks to the zero air gap technology and low latency of less than 10 milliseconds.
With Dahua, with zero air gap technology, we remove this gap. It will make the writing experience more smooth, more real, and the clarity of the image more clear.
Use the compass menu to quickly annotate any page, great for noting additional details on content. There are several ways in which you can share and save your content. By enabling the encryption mode, you can control the access of sensitive materials via password protection. Connect to the same network as the Deep Hub to access a clear, detailed image of the content with QR code save. It allows you to capture all the details without the blur, weird angles, or glare you'd get from your phone. You can also save your content locally, directly to the Deep Hub, and access it again later on, thus reducing the need to continually record and amend meeting minutes manually. To access saved files, videos, and other media, go to the File Manager. Virtual interaction is becoming the new normal. The built-in camera, which supports a maximum resolution of 180p at 30 frames per second, and microphones make remote communication and collaboration convenient and uncomplicated.
For the interactive screens came with built-in camera. Those camera with AI, artificial intelligence. So the camera has voice tracking, auto voice tracking, auto framing, and not only that, you can imagine the camera can understand your movement. Another important part we need to highlight when we talk about the interactive flat panel, which is the software. In Dahua, we have 3 types of software. First one, we call it eShare. eShare is like wireless mirroring software. It's compatible with all operating systems, Android, iOS, Mac, Chrome, Windows, all. Second point, if I'm using my screen with Android, it can support up to 9 devices at the same time, and screen can be split up to 9. If I'm using my screen on Windows, you can have unlimited number of users connected at the same time. Second software we have in Dahua is a device manager software. Device manager will enable the IT in any entity to control whatever number of screens from anywhere. What type of control we have? He can control like on and off, schedule the on and off, update the firmware, install and uninstall any applications. Also, we can broadcast messages and multimedia for all the screens. In Dahua, our software connected to the cloud, so you can access to this software wherever you are and your data will follow you. In addition to this, you can record your screen, you can create a QR code so anyone can just scan this QR code and get your lecture as PDF.
The Dahua Interactive Whiteboard is an innovative tool for smart offices, which achieves multilateral communication and emergency command regardless of distance limitation, inspiring teams in all fields with infinite possibilities.